Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add contact form for your site in Blogger. So let's start. First, what you want to do is really easy. Click on the description and link. When you're gonna do it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they have is contact form. Let's click sign up for free, and let's just sign up with Google or Facebook. It's really up to you. And when you have it, let's click login. Now in applications, you want to write in search contact. You're gonna see it here, contact form. Let's create a widget. Now here, you want to choose simple form, email, floating. I will like the simple form and we can edit that. So let's do this. Here, you can change the first name. You can change the last name. Also, you can delete things. That's like really good. Also, like let's delete attachments. Yes, we don't want to also phone. Nice. Perfect. So also, when you have it, you can change the mail to where you want to email have, settings, appearance, action after submit, really editing it a lot. Now when we have it, you can just easily click save and change the colors and everything. You need to choose also the plan. You can start with the light one or basic or pro version. 5,000 views gives you basic one. Pro version gives you 50,000. Let's copy the code now. You can start also with the light. Here, you want to edit your page and you want to paste your code into HTML. When you have it, let's click save and then click preview. And voila, here we got perfect contact form for your site in Blogspot. So that was really pretty easy, I think. And yeah, if you have any questions, guys, I'll be really happy to help you. Thank you, everybody. Also, if you're gonna like more applications here, I definitely recommend all applications. Like, if you're gonna like a Facebook feed, Twitter feed, whatever, go with the Pro Pack or Basic Pack. So that's about it. Thank you, see ya, and goodbye.